Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to compress any PDF file. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the PDF file I have right here. I'm just going to show you how much it is. So it is a PDF file and it is 2.74 megabytes. So click on the link in the description. It's going to take you to this website. This is the best website online that compresses PDF files. You just want to press select PDF files, select your PDF, press open. This is the one. And the compression level you want to choose actually depends on what you are compressing. If you're compressing just a book with just words, no images, select extreme compression because it's not going to impact the quality really of the words. You're not going to notice it. If you do have lots of images, I suggest selecting less compression so you don't lose any quality, or the recommended compression if you're not sure. So since it's a book, I'm going to press extreme compression and then compress PDF. It shouldn't take that much longer, and it's going to automatically download the new compressed PDF. As you can see, it's compressed by 68%, so it's now under a megabyte. You can exit out of the site. Okay, so that's the old one, which is 2.74 megabytes. Yeah, and the new PDF is 910 kilobytes. So I'm going to show you the difference between quality. Okay, so as you can see in the images, because it was an extreme compression, there is a slight drop in the quality, but it's actually not that bad. There is no quality difference in the writing. So that is it for this video. If it did help you, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Leave a comment suggesting what videos you would like to see on the channel. And that is it from me. Peace out.